Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a 3D paper elephant. You'll need a square sheet of paper. Having this paper, our next step is to fold the paper in half along the diagonal. Unfold. Then fold the paper in half along the other diagonal. Unfold. Then fold these two edges to the diagonal. Fold this corner up along this line and make a crease. Unfold. Fold this edge to this crease. Then fold this edge to this crease. Fold this edge to the middle line. Then fold this edge to the middle line. Fold this edge to the crease. Then fold this edge to the crease. Fold this corner up along these two points. Reverse this crease. And fold it to this line. Then fold this corner to this corner. Reverse this crease. And fold it to this line. Lift up the top layer and make a crease along this line. Then fold this line to this line. Folding the bottom part in the same way. Then fold these for corners. Open the top layer and press down the paper along the existing creases. Then fold the paper along the middle line. Fold this corner up along these 2 points. Then fold the corner down. Make the crease pass through this point, and align the sides with the bottom. Unfold this part. Open this part and fold it over along the creases. Then fold the corner down again. Leave some space here. Unfold. Then fold this part inward. Fold a small corner upwards. Open the corner and fold it over. Fold this corner inward. Then fold it over along the creases. Repeat the same method to the other side. Make a crease in the middle part. Then fold it over along the crease. Fold the corner to this edge and fold it over along the crease. Do the same thing to the other side. Fold this corner down. Then fold it inward along the creases. Fold this corner to this edge. Then fold it inward along the creases. Do the same thing to the other side. Open this part. Fold the corner upward. Then close it. Pull this small corner down and fold it at a suitable position. And there you have it. Your 3D paper elephant is ready. I really hope you liked this video. If yes, remember to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.